Inter. So today we are going to learn from this book Easy Games and Activities in German Part 1. So mit Deutsch spielen. So we are going to play with the German language. Now see this first. We are going to learn Zahlen. Zahlen means the numbers. Okay, so I am going to read out all the numbers. Listen the pronunciation carefully. Eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, 10. Okay, so these are our numbers, and so here they have given one activity for you. Verbinde die Zahlen. Verbinden means to connect. Connect the numbers with the correct spelling. So one I am going to show you how to do. So, okay, they have already given you eins. So with the correct spelling, you are supposed to match it. Okay, so this you can do very easily. Now let's go to the next page. Again, some activities related to the numbers they have given. So, Kreuze die Zahlen. You have to cross the numbers. Means what you are actually supposed to do here. They have given this puzzle here, and there you are supposed to fill the number names. So Nummer 1 is first one is ein. So that spelling you have written. Now see, this is Nummer 2, number 2. Okay, so what is the number 2? It is not number 2 spelling you have to write. This is number 2. So this spelling is 4. That is fear. So that spelling you are supposed to write down here. V-I-E-R. Fear. So in this 2, the vertically you are supposed to write the spelling of fear. So I hope you have understood this, and then fill this whole puzzle which they have given. Okay, which we will discuss in the class. Now the next one they have given Suche die Zahlen. So students, suchen means to search the numbers. So the first one is eins. So they have already given where is the eins hidden spelling, and what they have done, once you have done you have found that number name spelling, you are supposed to cross in the given box. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy these 3 activities related to the numbers. Let's go ahead. Okay, I guess this page has scanned here again, so just avoid that or just simply ignore that page. Now next we are going to learn the Farben. Very interesting topic. Farben means color. I am reading the color names for you. Rot, red, gelb, yellow, blau, blue, grün, green, rosa, pink, violet, violet, orange, orange, brown, brown, weiß, white, schwarz, black. So again they have given one activity related to this. Verbinde die Farben. You are supposed to match the colors. Okay. So one example I will do it here for you. This is grün. So this grün spelling you have to match with this grün character. Okay, green color character. Now 2 more activities related to the Farben colors. Kreuze die Farben. So you have to find out the correct color name, and you have to write down here. So one example I will explain you. See, this is 1, okay, and this is 1. So this is a yellow color. Yellow color we called as gelb. So that you are supposed to write here. Okay, so It is according to the given numbers. You have to identify the color and you have to write in the this given puzzle. Okay. Now next one is again very interesting. Yubung, suche die Farben, search the colors. So same, you are supposed to find out the color names and you are supposed to mark it. One I will find out for you. So this is rot. Rot is red. So once you found the rot in this box, you just cross it. Okay. So once you finish these two activities, you are going to learn the Schulsachen. So what is Schulsachen, students? Schulsachen means the stationery items. So let me read this for you. Der Fuel Fader Halter means the ink pen. We also call the ink pen as der Kuli. Der Bleistift, pencil. Das Buch, book. Das Heft, notebook. Die Filzstifte, markers or sketch pens. Der Radiergummi, eraser. Das Lineal, scale. Der Spitzer, sharpener. Das Federmäppchen, your compass box or your pencil pouch. Die Schultasche, school bag. Now if you will see, here they have given before the names der, die and das. So what are these? These are the articles. Okay, and in English it means the. So in deep we are going to learn it later on. What are these? Der, die, das. Okay. Now you are supposed to do this. Next activity, verbinde die Schulsachen. Connect the Schulsachen. So you know now how to do this. There Radiergummi hai, eraser. So just match it with the eraser. Okay. Now again next two activities. Now from the previous question, I hope you have understood. Kreuze die Schulsachen means what? And suche die Schulsachen means what? Now next we are going to learn das Haus, the house. Das Dach means roof. Das Fenster, window. Die Tür, door. Der Garten, garden. Das Tor, the gate. Die Küche, kitchen. Das Schlafzimmer, bedroom. Das Wohnzimmer, living room. Das Badezimmer, your bathroom. Die Treppe, steps. So to remember all these names with this article there, the das, what you are supposed to do, students, you have to bring the sticky notes and in your home, if you're at the entrance of your kitchen, you have to stick that sticky notes, and on that sticky notes you are supposed to write down the Küche. So if you will stick like this sticky notes in your bedroom, living room, bathroom, then only you are going to remember the name of all these different rooms in German. Okay, so do that. Next activity, you know, verbinde das Haus, match the word with the photo. Same, next activity, kreuze das Haus. So find out, here they have given this number 1 which room, that number one room name you are supposed to write down here. Okay. And next activity also, you know, suche das Haus. Find out which room names are hidden in this given box and just make a circle. Now from das Haus we are going to come to the Stadt, means the city. So what is this first one? Die Straße, the street. Die Ampel, signal. Der Zebrastreifen, zebra crossing. Die Telefonzelle, telephone booth. Der Gehweg, footpath. Der Platz, square. Die Straßenlampe, the street lamp. Das Verkehrszeichen, that is your traffic symbol. This they are talking. Next, der Park, park. Der Abfalleimer, the dustbin. So students, wherever at your home you will be having a dustbin. So on that dustbin you can stick this sticky notes called as der Abfalleimer. Okay, now do this next activity. Verbinde die Stadt. Kreuze die Stadt and suche die Stadt. Okay, now you know from our previous some pages what to do here. Okay, so students, in this video we are just going to learn this much. The remaining part we will learn in our next video. Till then, choose.